Okay, first things first, carbs are not the bad guy. In fact, they're our body's preferred source of energy. But there are some reasons why people might want to limit or cut back on the amount of carbs that they're eating, especially if they have diabetes and want to stabilize their blood sugar levels. Here, I'm going to break down 13 lower carb fruits ranked from lowest to highest in carbs. How many carbs are in fruit? It's difficult to compare a food group that can be so varied. And it's also important to note that the carbs in fruit come primarily from fiber and naturally occurring sugars. Fruits are digested differently than foods with added sugars because the fiber in them helps slow down how quickly our bodies process them. Beyond carbs, fruits are great sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And the fruits that you eat should be the fruits that you like, rather than worrying about the amount of carbs that they have. But you asked, so here we go, 13 lower carb fruits ranked. And to best compare them, we tried to keep it to 100 grams of fruit each, as fruits can come in different shapes and sizes. 1, watermelon. There are 8 grams of carbs per 100 grams of watermelon, so that's about 11 grams per cup. It's packed with vitamin C and is super hydrating. Slice it up, freeze it, blend it into a smoothie, or even make it into a dessert pizza by topping it with yogurt, fruit, fresh herbs, and honey. 2, strawberries. There are also 8 grams of carbs per 100 grams of strawberries, and it has about 13 grams per cup. This serving size also provides 163% of your daily vitamin C needs, and research has found that fiber-rich strawberries might help improve heart health and stabilize blood sugar levels. Strawberries can be enjoyed alongside any meal, on top of salads, blended into smoothies, or even dipped in chocolate for dessert. 3, cantaloupe. Cantaloupe has 8 grams of carbs per 100 grams and has about 13 grams per cup. It's a great source of vitamin C and potassium, which are important nutrients for immune function, heart health, and muscle function. Cube them up and enjoy them as they are, or I like to toss them with lime and some mint leaves. 4, peaches. There are about 10 grams of carbs per 100 grams of peaches, and that's about 14 grams of carbs per medium peach. Peaches are undeniably sweet and juicy, and they always remind me of summer. Besides baking them into crumbles or using them on top of salads, I actually love slicing my peaches in half and throwing them on the grill. You can drizzle them with a little honey and lime juice for a dessert that has so much flavor. Number 5, raspberries. Raspberries have 12 grams of carbs per 100 grams, so that's about 14 grams per cup, 10 of which come from fiber. Berries can be super perishable, so try buying them frozen to extend their shelf life and help you cut down on food waste. Add them to your overnight oats, to your smoothies, or enjoy them as is. 6, oranges. Oranges have 12 grams of carbs per 100 grams. That's about 15 grams per medium orange. They last a really long time in the fridge and boast 116% of your daily vitamin C needs. Enjoying oranges whole rather than juiced can help you up your fiber intake and reap the most benefit. 7, blueberries. Blueberries have 15 grams of carbs per 100 grams and about 21 grams per cup. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals and can help support heart health and healthy aging. They might even help improve your memory too. Eat them as they are, on top of salads, or add them to your dessert. 8, pineapples. Pineapples have 15 grams of carbs per 100 grams and have about 22 grams per cup. Along with fiber and vitamin C, this tropical fruit provides minerals like copper that are important for forming and strengthening bones. This is another delicious fruit on the grill. It makes a really great salsa. 9, mangoes. There are about 15 grams of carbs per 100 grams of mangoes, and they have about 25 grams per cup. Mangoes are loaded with vitamin A, which helps promote skin health, eye health, and healthy aging. There are so many ways to enjoy mango, whether it's at breakfast, in a savory dish, as a snack, or as dessert. 10, cherries. There are 16 grams of carbs per 100 grams of cherries and about 25 grams per cup. There are so many health benefits of cherries. They can help with healthy aging, and they might have anti-inflammatory benefits, which can help with heart health and arthritis, and even exercise recovery. They might also help improve your sleep. They're naturally high in melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep and wake cycles. 11, apples. There are 25 grams of carbs in a medium apple, 5 of which come from fiber. They last for weeks in the fridge, are super portable, and are a great snack for keeping hunger at bay in the middle of the day. 12, bananas. There are 23 grams of carbs per 100 grams of banana and about 27 grams of carbs in a medium banana. Bananas might get a bad rap for being higher in carbs, but they're actually pretty similar to other types of fruit like apples, cherries, and mangoes. Plus, they're a great source of potassium and resistant starch, which is a type of prebiotic fiber. This is the kind our gut bacteria eat. That has been shown to help improve intestinal health, reduce inflammation, and reduce risk for several types of chronic disease. 13, grapes. There are only 18 grams of carbs per 100 grams of grapes, but they have about 28 grams of carbs per cup. Grapes might be the highest carb fruit on this list, but they pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. They contain ample vitamins and minerals that are important for heart and eye health. Enjoy them fresh as they are, or try freezing them and dunking them in lime juice and rolling them in a little bit of sugar. They taste just like a Sour Patch Kid with way less added sugar. You don't need to fear carbs or fruit, even if you're watching your carb intake. But knowing the relative amount of carbs in the foods that you're eating can help you work them into your day in a way that aligns with your nutritional goals. Thanks for watching, and eat well.